So in this video, we will see how we can overcome a popular problem in Shopify, which is when the cart contains products from two different shipping profiles, the shipping costs are usually added up. So let's say my store has two shipping profiles, a general and a heavy items one. And when I'm shipping to India, so I also have two zones, India and international. When I am shipping to India and my cart contains items from the general profile and the heavy items profile, which is a second custom shipping profile, then the shipping rate would be shown as 20 plus 50, which is 70. So I have actually tried to create a similar scenario over here. So I have a heavy items profile in which I have the archived snowboard product and the price is 50 rupees for that. And in my other general profile where all the rest of my products are present, the shipping for India is 20 rupees. So now when I go to the checkout, I can see that if I have added both the products, then the shipping is getting added up automatically and the shipping is being shown as 70 rupees. So how can I overcome this problem using ShipMagic app? So we can do that by setting up the rates like this. So let's go to the shipping rates in the app. So first we'll have to make some fundamental changes in the store. The reason that the rates are getting added up is because Shopify has this default behavior that whenever items are from two different profiles, then the rates get added up. And actually there is no way to get around that problem if you're using shipping profiles. So the way to get around that problem is to just get rid of shipping profiles and use the shipping rates feature available in the app to uh, emulate the features which are provided by shipping profiles. So I'll show that how I'll show it to you how we can do that. So the first thing that we need to do is delete this profile and move all the products back to the general profile. So if you delete the profile, all the products are by default moved to the general profile, and then we can go ahead and set up the app. So let's go to the app and go into the shipping rates. Now we need some way to identify uh, how we need some way to identify the heavy items. So in our case, the archive product, this product was the item that was present in the second profile, the heavy items profile. So you can see that I have already added a tag by the name of large to this product. So large product means heavy products. So I'm going to use the product tags product attribute to identify heavy items in my uh, in the app. And if you look at my other product, which is the collection snowboard hydrogen, there is no large tag present here. So this, which means that this item is not heavy. So I've only added the heavy tag to the products which are actually, sorry, I've only added the large tag to the products which are present in the heavy shipping profile. So once that is done, we can go into the app and try to set up the app for the according to how we want it. So let's go to the app and go into shipping rates, and let's begin creating our first rule. So this will be for heavy items and the priority will be 1. Now here the status will be active and the exclusivity here, so pay attention here, the exclusivity will be exclusive. So what this means is that whenever this rule is satisfied, all the other rules which are below the priority of this rules will be ignored, and this will become more clear when we set up the conditions below. So we'll go into conditions and set up and use the cart contains parameter. So cart contains, and then you can see that you have a lot of parameters that you can use to create rules for your products. So for example, I am going to use product tag to create the rule, but there are other options also available like product title and variant title that you can use to create the rules. Going ahead with our example, So if cart contains product tag which equals large, then the shipping rates that we want to show, let's give any name to our shipping name. This is the name which will appear on the checkout page. So I'll set this up as I can use like standard rate here. So standard rate, and the shipping price is going to be 50, because I only want to show if the cart contains a product with a heavy product, then I want to show only $50 the rate, which is essentially if the cart contains heavy items, then I want to show only the highest rate, and the highest rate out of 20 and 50 is 50. So I'll enter the rate as 50 here, and similarly for the international zone, that price will be 100. Let's click on save, and we'll create another rule for regular products. Priority will be 2. Exclusivity, here you can keep it anything, just mark it exclusive for easier understanding. And then the condition will be cart contains product tag not equals large, and then we will have add the rate here as standard rate, the price is 20, and for international the price is 40. Cool. Let's save the rule and let's test this on the checkout page. Just make sure that if the app is in test mode, for example in our case the app is in test mode right now for shipping rates, then use the first name as ShipMagic to test the rates on the checkout page. So let's go to the checkout page and change the first name to ShipMagic, and let's see what we get the rates here. So we are actually getting both the rates because we haven't deleted the rates from Shopify's settings. So go ahead and delete the rates, the native rates that you set up in Shopify, and then let's now reach for a different address so that we don't see the cached rates. Always when you make any changes in the shipping rates in the app or in Shopify, use a different address so that you don't see the cached rates. So let's refresh, let's change the address, and now you can see that the shipping rate is being shown as 50 because we have the heavy product in the cart. Now let's actually go ahead and remove the heavy product from the cart. Now we only have regular products. Now the shipping rate should be shown as 20 rupees, which is indeed what we see. So this is how you can avoid this problem in Shopify of combining of shipping rates when the items are present in cart from both the shipping profiles, from one or more shipping profiles. One thing to note here is that once you have finished testing the app, and if you want to put it in live mode, then you can go into the billing section of the app and subscribe to the pro plan. Once you do that, come to the settings page and switch on the shipping rates toggle, and then the condition or the limitation to use ShipMagic as the first name will disappear and the correct rates will start showing up for all your profiles. So to recap, what we need to do is we need to first move all the products back to the general shipping profile. Then we need to create shipping rates in the app for different products. The only thing that we need to keep really care of is that you need to change the exclusivity from inexclusive to exclusive, and that's it. In case you have any questions while setting up the app, or if you face any issues, you can click on this button to reach out to the live chat support, and we would be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.